I am Dr. Mohammed MSCOO7 version. Welcome to medical science class. Welcome to medical science class. As a student of medical science, I wanted to take flavor every branch of science. Medical science. How much patient? Yeah, diploma. Okay, for lab physics, lab chemistry, you have to do lab lab. Now Allah gifted brain, made by Allah, created by Allah. Allah created me, can change, can correct, can control, can destroy. As a Muslim, Allah is the one and only creator except Allah, Allah creation, last and destroy. Allah gifted brain, made by Allah, created by Allah. What a brain, created by one and only creator, can change, can correct, can control, can destroy. What a creation, created by Allah, can change, can correct, can control, can destroy. My program system is Al-Quran. In Al-Quran, creator Bichu is. Good Bichu come from creator, bad Bichu come from devil. Devil is nothing, collection and destroy devil. Think good, say good, do good. About one and only creator, Allah also creation. And then understand, believe kun fayakun and understand kun fayakun. Real kun fayakun remain in one and only creator, Allah. Gun 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 kun fayakun remain in one and only creator Allah. Gun 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 kun fayakun remain in one and only creator Allah. Real everything. Gun 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 kun fayakun Abdul kun fayakun. Anar Abdul kun fayakun. The creator, another name is kun fayakun. Remain in one and only creator Allah. Real everything. I am a simple creation of Allah, nothing else. Now medical science class, not Al-Quran class. Okay, fine. Medical science. What is science? Science is anything, any matter, any event, any problem, any occurrence can solve by logic, document, data, mathematical equation, with proof, with experiment. That is science. What is medical science? Medical science is the branch of science discussed about creation like human Homo sapiens. What is Homo sapiens? What is the criteria of Homo sapiens? Homo sapiens. What is the criteria of Homo sapiens? You see that in Homo sapiens contains sense, fifth sense. And those are believe one and only creator, meditation, can communicate one and only creator, they are sixth sense human. Now, what is the system? Medical science. Nervous system. Homo sapiens have nervous system, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, lymphatic system, musculoskeletal system. What is the unit of Homo sapiens? What is the Homo sapien? What remain for sense? Life. Life is a special type of energy contain sense equal more or less picometer remaining nervous system. As per I know, Allah knows best, not only best but also everything. Now what is the unit of human cell? What is human cell? What is the diameter of human cell? Micrometer. What micrometer? 0.001 ml, 0.001 millimeter. Okay, see that. Fine. On general. Now 0.001 or 0.001 millimeter. See the book. Human cell content. Now size and shape of human cell. There is how much type? Circular, semicircular, circular, semicircular, rectangular, triangular, hexagonal. Circular, epithelium, surface epithelium, glandular epithelium, columnar epithelium, pseudoepithelium. Pseudo is satisfied, columnar epithelium. Epithelium. What is the criteria of tissue and cell size shape? That is circular, semicircular, rectangular, triangular, hexagonal. Hexagonal, liver cell. Circular, pancreas. And columnar. That is the size shape, histopathology of the cell. You know that. What is the size shape of the cell? By that size shape, we are identify that is the skin tissue. That is muscle tissue. Muscle tissue. In case of muscle, skeletal tissue. Skeletal tissue, you can see that skeletal tissue. Collected disc. In case of heart, spindle. Cardiac muscle tissue. By that you understand the tissue, size and shape of cell. That size of shape cell under the electron microscope, what you see? That is spindle cell, there is a heart muscle. Epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. and fourth chamber. Right atrium, left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle, or right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Heart, not HURT, heart. Now my friend was about a medical science class. In medical science class, I also learned medical science. You know that I also creation. Not know that. That is the proof that I have also creation. If you wanna to read Al Quran about one and only Creator. Also in medical science, read medical science book. Then understand. Understand I am also creation. Not know everything. Only one and only Creator Allah know everything. Now medical science, you know that muscle. If any cell injury occur, how a cell injury occur? By energy, radiation, then by infectious agent, virus, bacteria, parasite, fungus, helminth, then trauma injury, traumatic injury, then if you need a cell fuel, ATP, glucose and oxygen. Understand? If deficiency of glucose and oxygen, cell injury occur. Then you know that cell injury occur. Then what necessary? Mineral, vitamin and mineral. And gold standard are sodium chloride. For cell function, ATPase, sodium potassium pump. 3 sodium from 3 sodium potassium pump. 3 sodium go to the outside and 2 potassium enter into the inside. Sodium potassium ATPase pumping, cell pumping machine. So sodium potassium in case of hypernatremia, hyperkalemia. Hypernatremia, you know that mineral, vitamin, minerals, that is the also raw material necessary. Then cell injury. If cell injury occurred, reversible cell injury, irreversible cell injury. Reversible cell injury can correct. If nucleus hamper and mitochondria hamper or nucleus powerhouse of ATP hamper, you know that is still mitochondria is not hamper, then that is called reversible cell injury. If mitochondria hamper, as per medical science, if mitochondria hamper powerhouse of the cell, that is called irreversible cell injury. Understand? I think better understand. And medical science cell equal more or less trillion cell. Human, adult human, on generally. As per I know, equal more or less 80,000 crore cell adult human. Equal more or less. ALLAHU base, not only base, but also everything. Now how much human cell? Human cell, how you understand? In their chromosome, nucleus, chromosome 44 autosome, one pair of lap chromosome. In case